Most interesting stuff in this plant shop is bonsai, where they are selling amazing bonsai only at $20 with some beautiful wares. Also, I have found marble snake plants into this plant shop, which is real gem. So let's not wait further. So I'll just take you through quickly into this plant shop so you can understand what are the plants they are selling and why this is very cheap and budget plant shop in my list. So there you can see a lot of cactus and succulents. They are also growing for next winter season. And here also I can see some bubble plant. I think you know this, but this one is quite unknown to me. This bubble plant really very soft to touch and very silky and shiny in the outlook. So the next plant, you can see there are a lot of fern there growing, which is really beautiful with a lot of hanging plants, I can say. Here they are growing Pilonia also, which price range starting at $2, which I feel a really decent price in our country. And if you compare to UK market, that will be maybe $5 to $10. And they are also growing some indoor hanging ferns. This plant I will be very much curious to understand what is the name of this plant, because I was looking from my friends in Instagram pages, but I am still not getting this name. So if you have the name, you can comment below. So here again they are growing Hoyas and some beautiful fern, and there I can see the rabbit foot fern also. Let me take you through. This is the butterfly auxiliary, and these are really cute. They are also starting at $2 price range. So this is we call the rabbit foot fern, which is starting at $3 price point. Their roots are like coming out from the soil, and they are taking nutrient from the outside of the air. And here the heart shapes, lucky bamboo plants, philodendron, and then motera. This one is quite interesting. Here I found two types of ZZ plant that we can actually buy from here, the black and the light one. So darker one is a little bit expensive. Here you can buy like $8 to $10, but the light color one you can buy in $5 to $6 easily. These sort of colored plants earlier I didn't saw in my nursery, but this time I can see a lot of massive collection they are having, and the price range is really brilliant to me. So this is again another species of devil's backbone plant, which is starting at $2 as well, and this hand feel a little touch like velvety. And my favorite Anthurium, they are also selling. This price range is from $2 starting to $5 to and $10 max. The most beautiful snake plants, which is having marble effect, and this is what I found, guys. And this snake plant I really try to find from other stores, but this is what only they are having. And these are not actually vegetables, which is looks like that, but they looks really brilliant, which price range also started at $2. And here we comes the bonsai. And the interesting thing is the bonsai they are selling $25 to $30 max, which is really budget shopping. I have checked from other stores, they are also selling like $50 to $100 each bonsai, but I don't know what happened to these guys, but they are selling really in really low price, which I really like to show you guys. If you want to order something, you can also like comment below, so I can help for you this one. So well, yeah, here they are also having a lot of indoor plants, which is really in budget, like $5. Even there are some hanging plants I can see. I think we are almost end of this video, guys. If you think you have got something new stuff and you enjoyed this video, then please make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel and like this video. That is what I will really expect from you guys. So thanks for watching.